In this video we are gonna do visual recon using GoWitness tool. We will install the tool too. So let me show you the GitHub first. You can see that's the GitHub. Okay, you can go through it. Okay, we will be installing this tool, so let's go. So what this tool does, that it screenshots the particular list of URL you give to this tool. Okay, so there are more ways you can do it manually, which are: first have a list of subdomains. Okay, then just go through manually the one you do. Okay, like that. But it is much time consuming, so it's better to do one more way I have, like have an extension named open multiple urls. Okay, so just what you have to do, copy all the subdomains, open the extension, then just paste it here. Then when you click on this open url, it will open the how much urls you have provided to it. Okay, like that. Then after that you just have to go to manually do it, go through manually through it. You can see like that. But in this video we are gonna do visual recognizing GoWitness. So first let's just install that tool. Let me go to the GitHub account. Okay, so let's just install this tool. Okay, so for using this tool you must install Go language in your system. Okay, you must have Go language in order to run this tool. So then do the git clone command after copying the URL of that. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, after that change the directory. You can see. So after that just copy paste this stuff. I will provide you this in the description. So then after that go build command. Then uh, this to run the tool in your terminal or command line, you can say. This also done. So after that we can just do this witness. Yeah, it is installed properly. So we will be doing this now. So after that just I will prefer you to have a txt file of subdomains, gather from whatever the tool you can gather from. Just copy this, then go to here. Okay, done. So after that just do this, go witness file, then flag url.txt. It will provide you a status code 2 plus the url it is going through. So wait, let's wait. So you can see the this part is complete. So you will be asking where the output is stored, where you can see the screenshots. So just ls the you can see this is the directory. When you will change the directory to screenshots, you can see it is stored over here. So just go through it. Now you can see this GoWitness screenshot. Okay, like this. You can see every of it, every subdomain of it. I mean, so yeah, like it reduced so much time rather than going to every single subdomain. Like it might take um, much time as compared to it. So that was for the today's video. Thanks for watching, and